Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about pregnancy intimacy and share 5 essential tips for connecting with your partner during this special time. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Communication is key. Let your partner know about your changing needs and desires. Be open and honest about any discomfort you may be feeling. Tip number 2. Experiment with new positions. As your body goes through alterations, certain positions may be more comfortable than others. Don't be afraid to explore and find new ways to connect. Tip number 3. Take it slow and be patient. Pregnancy can bring changes in libido and energy levels. Remember, it's completely normal. Take the time to enjoy each other's company and savor the intimate moments. Tip number 4. Show affection outside the bedroom. Little gestures like holding hands or giving a back rub can help you feel connected and loved. Remember, intimacy is not just about the physical aspect. And finally, tip number 5. Seek support if needed. Pregnancy can bring a roller coaster of emotions. Reach out to your partner, friends, or even a professional to share your feelings and receive guidance. Remember, pregnancy is a beautiful journey that can bring you and your partner closer together. Embrace the changes, communicate openly, and enjoy this magical time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice. Have a wonderful day.